mail call. Let's see what we got. Oh, looky there. Look at what we got. Well, let's do an unboxing and review, huh? That's the one I ordered. So let's see what comes in the box, huh? I know I'm probably late to the game with the 4x4, but well, I'm waiting on parts for the Traxxas X Max. Let's take a look, see what we got inside of this. Oh yeah. So what do we get inside of the box? The card, tools, shock stuff, high-speed gearing, battery thing, I forget what they call it, and the controller. Of course, you need to supply your own AA batteries. Let's take a look under the hood, huh? Clipless system, love it. Traxxas 3S system, Traxxas drive shafts. It looks like this comes with a slipper clutch with an adjuster right there. Battery box. Plastic shocks. They're probably going to break. And plastic drive shafts there, probably going to break too. But look at the black chrome, it's awesome. Wheelie bar, it's pretty flexible. Kind of looks like a Slash. Probably based off a Slash, just a little shorter. So, runs on 3S lipos. Man, this thing looks like it's going to be a beast. Let's take a look and see. This is the kind of batteries I'm running on. I like the Traxxas batteries. I have one that's probably 1.5 years old. That has actually, it hasn't died yet, but the cell is, one of the cells won't charge fully, so it's getting ready to go out. But it fits like a glove. The only thing I need is get some batteries for it. This is the old battery that doesn't want to seem to, one of the cells doesn't seem to want to charge right. So, but like I said, it's got a lot of runtime on it and it's old. And then this is the new 3-cell, 5,000 milliamp hour LiPo battery. So, let's throw a battery in there, see what it does. Got juice here. And it's on. Plenty of power. Oh, buddy. TSM, whole 9 yards. Oh man, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's take it outside and see what it does in the snow. outside in the snow. Let's see how well I do with one hand. Oh yeah, we got some deep snow. Tell you what, that TSM's really kicking in. See if we can turn that down. Oh man, I'm spoiled by that X-Max. This thing's stuck. So as you can see, first outing, wasn't that good. Lots of snow. Lots and lots of snow. Oh, but it's going to be fun. I do like that battery system and the clipless body system. All that snow. Anyway, compare that to an X-Max. Here's the tires of the X-Max compared to the tires of the Rustler 4x4. That's coming in a video pretty soon, getting this thing repaired. Just waiting on the parts for it. But I wanted to at least do this, keep some stuff going on the channel, keep you guys interested. Hopefully you like it. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe, please. Smash the bell too.